Hey guys, I'm going to show you real quick if you have any questions on the geometry project. So the first step is go down to media, then click on image, and you're going to choose your file that has your image. I'm going to pick my bathroom tile floor. And so you click on the image, click open, and you press OK. I've already inserted mine, so I'm not going to press OK. And then the next step is you are going to draw an angle. So remember, an angle is made up of two vectors. So I'm going to draw this vector right here. Actually, let's go back. You can always go back if you want to undo something by clicking on that arrow. So this is my vertex, and then the direction of my first arrow. Then I'm going to click on vertex, direction of my second arrow. And then you're going to add the angle measurement. So you're going to click on the 3 points. It's important that you pick the points in order. So the first endpoint, the vertex, and then the second endpoint. You can select the angle and move it if it's hard to read. Another thing you can do is select the arrows, and you can change the colors and you can change the thickness. So the first step is just to create your angle and make sure it's easy to read. Second step is add your measurements. Third step is to add a name of your angle and a description. So in this case, angle LJK is greater than 90 degrees, so it's an obtuse angle. So I'm going to add angle LJK is an obtuse angle. And you can also select, by clicking on this arrow, select the text, and you can also change the color. You can make it bolder. You can even add like a background if you want to. You don't have to. It's only if you want to. Okay. And the last step is to, that's it. So just draw your angle, the measurement, and the description. So make sure you do it for an obtuse angle, a right angle, an acute angle, complementary and supplementary angles. So let me show you how to do, for example, the supplementary angles. Supplementary are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. So I'm just going to draw another arrow here to describe these two angles, the obtuse, and I'm going to make another acute angle. Again, I can select it and change the color, make it thicker so it matches the other ones. And then you're going to add the measurement. So for your measurement for your complementary and supplementary angles, make sure they add up to what they're supposed to. So in this case, right now, angle LJM adds up to, I can't see it, so I'm going to move it. It adds up to 43.3, but I want it to add up to 180. So I do 180 minus this angle, 133.9, should be 46.1. So I'm going to change this so it's 46.1. And if it's not exactly 46.1, that's okay, because for some reason, sometimes it won't give you exactly what you want. As long as you're off by like 1 decimal point, that's fine. I'll count it correct. So then the last thing I would type here would be something like text. Angle MJL is supplementary to LJK. So angle MJL is, or I can write MJL and angle LJK are supplementary, which means they add up to 180. So you would do that in a similar way for the complementary angle. Select, and then you can change the color or make it bolder. I'm going to leave it as black. That looks good. Okay. If you have any questions, email me. And remember, this is due at 11:59 on Sunday. Make sure you have your acute, obtuse, right, 2 pairs of supplementary angles, and then 2 angles that are complementary. Thanks.